Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to pad in and pad out the audio in CapCut PC. Alright, select your clip and I am going to add the music available here. Just step on add track and I'm just going to split the audio and remove unused. So how to make pad in and pad out the audio, just tap on audio and you can see for the option in the right. So just select the padding and just 1.0 second, but as you like. So for pad out, as before, and you can see the pad in and pad out have been added to the audio. So that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.